Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Sunnyvale, California, South. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This motel, just off Highway 101, is 7 miles from San Jose International Airport. It has an outdoor pool, as well as expanded cable TV and free Wi-Fi in rooms. Motel 6 Sunnyvale South has a front desk that is staffed 24 hours a day. Coin laundry is also available at this pet-friendly motel. Santa Clara Convention Center is 3.5 miles from the Sunnyvale South Motel 6. Great America theme park is 4 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.